Hi guys, welcome to Vet Ranch. I'm Dr. Carrie. Thanks for coming to hang out with us today. This is Kiki. Squeaky's over here. And if you don't know who these two kids are, you definitely need to check out a couple playlists that I'll post. And they will get you up to speed with the patients that we have, and you get to see other fun cases. Oh, it's tired. Other fun cases from start to finish, so definitely check those out. And if it's your first time joining us, welcome. I hope you like this format. It's more of a vlog approach and really just keeps you up to date on cases, and you're kind of going through the cases with us like we do on a normal day instead of kind of watching the case from start to finish. So I hope you enjoy. We got some pretty cool little animals in over the weekend. The shelter has been full constantly. I have one that's a little, we call them Alligators, a little Malinois puppy. I named him Shade or Shade Fall Star. If you know what that's from, bonus points. Comment if you know what that name is from. One of my favorite book series. And we're gonna grab a couple little puppies that are precious. You're gonna freak out at these puppies. But let's just jump right in, go meet Shade, and then go and get our puppies. Let's go. All right, we got this girl in. She's from the Mesquite shelter, and the rescue that asked us to help out was Border Collie Rescue. And they're awesome. No, she had a cone on, now she doesn't, so she's licking at this wound. She's not using this front right leg, and then has a draining kind of open wound on this leg as well. So we started antibiotics and pain meds. We are going to sedate her now. She's super sweet. I'm gonna sedate her now, clip and clean that, and then try to figure out why she's not using it, because I don't know if it would just be that laceration that would cause like no usage whatsoever. Look at those ears. You don't want to shake. I know. All right, let's do it. Found this accidentally, not accidentally, I felt it and then I was messing with it and then it was like, oh no, I just pulled off her head. So we're gonna scrub that as well. Glad whatever it was didn't get her eyeball. All right, here's the best view of Cakster's issue. This is her wound that you can see here on the right leg. This is a normal shoulder, and then look at this shoulder. It is subluxated. See how it's open there, and it's definitely kind of off of the articular surface. So that's definitely what's going on with her. We are gonna need to order a splint, not a splint, but a certain type of wrap to keep her in, to keep that arm drawn up and hope that it kind of fibroses in and then becomes more stable. If not, we're gonna have to look into some really complicated surgeries. So hopefully that works. So it goes in that direction. Okay, so here, here. It's like the lateral ligament. I bet it got hit. This is a problem. Shouldn't be doing that. It's so sticky. So let's see what Dr. Reed says. Luckily, she's on her way. She better be wearing cool shoes today. up.
Yeah, it says as it will be positioned in the sling.
Oh, I thought it said in place.
Yeah, it says measure around the body and leg with injured limb in place as it would be positioned in the sling.
Cool. 75 centimeters. We're going to a foster home, but we'll see her in a couple weeks. She's like, look, I can use my legs. See, I'm fine. Our little friend decided she was over it with having a bandage on, and she chewed it off and ate it this weekend. Her paw is still a little bit red, but it's healing up from the splint and the bandaging. So we're gonna take x-rays today. I think we're gonna take the cone off. We're not gonna let her go full throttle because her full throttle is crazy pants. But hopefully we can start getting back to puppiness. Right? Oh my goodness. Right? Baby girl. This dog has 0 fat on her body.
None.
I wish that was me.
Looking pretty good. It's filling in. So we can leave the cast off for now or the splint and then just take it slow. Cowboy's running. Look at her using that. Cowboy's running. Slow it down, sister. So I got 1 speed. It's turbo. Look at you. Wow. So this is our new rescue. His name was Rip. We're changing his name to Shade. And he was given to the shelter because essentially a family got him, didn't research the breed, and he was starting to nip badly and show aggression to male house members. So they gave him to the shelter, and we ran in and grabbed him because we want to work with a trainer and make sure that he gets into the right home. So this isn't a dog that becomes a weapon and also a dog that bounces from home to home because of his behavior issues, which everything's fixable, right? Most things are fixable. Come here, Shade. But he's super cute. He's super cute. A little bit shy. Take a bowl. You get some treats. We'll see if he knows some tricks. Okay. Yes. Puppies this way. Show how cute you are. Sit. Shade. Come here. Sit. Yes. Sit. Have a paw. You shake? Can you shake? He knows how to.
He does.
One up. Shake. Hey, come here. Sit. Yes. Lay down. Down. Say not yet. I just learned the little basic things. Here. Good boy. Sit. You're so cute.
He is cute.
Get some mosquito ears. Shake. Good boy. Smart boy. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Oh, I knew it. Those ears, dude. Yes. Uh-oh.
Ew. This is where you're gonna put it? Come on.
No. Okay.
I'm gonna do news because he's. It's okay. I don't want him to hate us. Like a boy, Jay. Oh my goodness. He's a smart boy. Nice. He's like, what the jump? It's alright, friend. Give me that back. Give me that back. You just want to take it in and steal it from me. Is that what it is? Give me that back. Are you ready? Good. Good boy, Jade. Good boy. So proud of yourself. Oh, she's precious. Can I have it? Can I have it? Sit. Yes. Yes. Is that your raccoon? Give me that. Come here. play with some other puppies. Yes, you do. You need to dog out a little bit, huh? Well, we sedated our border collie friend, which we're calling Clifton now. It was quite an ordeal. We gave him oral sedation this morning and then gave him an injection after that because he's the sweetest dog, but he's so untrusting with restraint, probably because he's never had that before. So now he's sedated. We're gonna go ahead and neuter him while he's out and try to do everything so we can start to gain his trust after this. I'm not.
How skinny do you want him to be?
Healthy. It's not about size, it's about just being healthy. It's about him feeling good in his fur.
He felt very good at bedtime.
So last week he was 10.3 pounds.
This week he's 10.6.
He's 10.
Woo!
That's a healthy weight, that
Oh.
little vampire twofers. Oh, love him. Now go run. Get. Yeah, when he curls his
I knew
feet
that
up,
was coming.
you gonna get it.
Yeah.
Rough life. He's like, I need you to open the break room door so that I can get everyone snacks. But first I'll head to Wendy's office and see what she's got going on.
For real.
He's gonna go through her lunch.
He's like, oh, let me go with the snacks. There's your weight loss keto chip.
Oh, he's like, weight loss is for the dogs.
He's going
Somebody
for a
give
treat.
him a real treat.
He's going with his diet. I mean, if he doesn't want, do it before or after.
After. Daisy's day. Gonna get your leg fixed. Sweet little girl. It's okay. Everybody else is awake from surgery. Can you hear that? It's stressful. She looks like she's in an aquarium. Oh, Scooby! Sorry. She's like, I knew I hated y'all. I knew it. I knew it. Her pre-meds made her a little woozy.
He needs that every day.
just extubated her. Goodness, she's gonna be pretty out of it for the rest of the night. Hi, baby. How are you doing after your surgery? Say ouchie. It's okay. Next morning, we're on our way to recovery, Daisy. It's gonna get better. Here's Daisy's before surgery, and then this is the best one to show you the surgery that was just done. These are her post-op x-rays. So here's her plate here, and then her little broken radius and ulna. So now we just have a couple weeks, probably 4 weeks in a splint, and then we'll retake x-rays.
That's a cute girl, eh?
No, please don't say it.
That's a cute girl, eh?
Subtitles.
That's a cute girl, eh? That is a cute girl right there. That's a cute girl, eh?
Oh my god. Oh, you're like the swamp people for the alligator hunters.
Who likes it? Harper?
The dogs. All the animals.
She gonna jump it.
No.
So gonna jump it. Toe waggle? Is your toe waggle?
Oh. Is it a sliver? So gentle, thank you.
I wonder why she doesn't want to eat her dog food.
Oh my gosh, you just made Wendy's noise. It's rubbed off on you. Do it again. No. You see? She does it.
I do.
Are you okay? You just choke on your cracker. Well, look at these little kids we got from the shelter. Oh my goodness, an owner surrendered them because they didn't have time for them. They have cars in their cage. It's okay, friend. Hey, look how cute you are in your setup. Did Miss April make you that? Are you gonna wreck it? Are you gonna wreck it? They're ready. They're ready. Why would they get me on my accent? It's perfect.
Okay.
It's a beautiful accent for this beautiful dog O'Shea. Here, wait, this darling. This is the first puppy. Obviously, she's adorable. Her name is O'Shea, and they're all Irish birds.
No, you can only speak an Irish accent.
And they're all Irish because St. Paddy's Day is coming right up. That's all I've got. Beautiful girl.
Crikey.
She's a charmer. She's a downright charmer. I have to stop.
Her face.
Did you just say crikey?
Yeah.
They're going to another place.
I know.
Okay.
She's Steve
Get
Irwin
over long
dog.
off long enough. Scale turned up.
It's precious. 5.6 pounds of pure love. Aww. Look at that. Does he have a kiss well on his belly? A little bit.
I got funk on my junk.
Aww, so cute. Well, since everybody has bashed my accent, I'll stop.
He's all ready for the cheese. Got a 6.1 pounder.
Oh, Bannon. 6.1 pounds of love. Right here. Look, Baba. Oh, Bannon.
Oh, I need a picture, sorry. Get out of order here. Hold up, let me try it.
It's gonna have to be good now. I'll go last two.
Dexter had carpal
It's like, it's the worst.
But we stopped it, yeah. This one's big. Oh, yeah, you've got the pustules too. Just a little puppy pile here, Mom.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe I can see it. Oh, no. What about? Oh, the other one's a crazy doodle. This one is a crazy doodle.
These guys are so cute. I don't want them to go to New York. All of a sudden they get it and they're like, oh.
That's not cheating or anything good. Well, the kitties have diarrhea, and we did a Giardia test, which was positive. And this little baby just doesn't feel good. This baby doesn't feel good. Hey. Can you please stop barking at me? You're ruining our video. She's like, you're not paying attention to me. Right now. So we're gonna give some sub-Q fluids, start some Clavamox, which is an antibiotic, and then just keep close track of her, like weigh her every day. Her, him, her. Ooh, that's a dirty booty. Her, I think. I'm gonna see if it's a boy or a girl, and we can think of pasta names. Like fettuccine, linguine, ziti. This is a boy, definite diarrhea too. What do you want his name to be? Fettuccine?
Fettuccine.
Fettuccine is a boy, brown tabby, boy, no diarrhea on his bum. 1.4, Big Papa. What do you want this one to be? Linguine? Yeah. Boy, 0.94. Ah!
Name.
Boy. Oh, what's his name gonna be? Linguine fettuccine.
Lasagna.
Yeah, lasagna. Let me think about that one.
Let me look up noodle names.
Penne, Penne. And then this black one is also a boy. Hi. Says you're a good mom. She's a good mama cat. We'll take care of your babies. They're a little dehydrated. You're doing a good job though. We're gonna move Mom because she gets really stressed anytime any dogs walk by, but whoa, that's like a little bear.
It's real cute. I like that their eyes are open.
Why do they have like tiny chows? Hi, Mama. Oh, sweet girl. Can I see what your puppies are doing? Hi, Opal. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Good job, Mama. Okay, good job, Opal. You did good.
Okay, we're here with Tag. It's about 2 weeks post-amputation, and it looks really, really good. We're so happy that we removed that leg. Clearly it was the right decision, and he's just doing great at his foster forever home. So we're super happy about that. So we're gonna remove these staples, and he'll be good to go. I'm sorry. All right, okay, you survived it.
Hello, my babies. Oh my goodness. So, big news is that the rescuers that have been visiting the property trying to catch the moms found more of these puppies living under a shed, but they are a lot harder to catch. So, it kind of breaks my heart because I see how happy these little squirrel babies are, and I want to get the other one so bad. Yeah. Yes. We'll try to get your brothers and sisters. We're working on it. You guys are so precious, looking so much better. Kitty puppies. Look how much these puppies have changed on their next set of vaccines. I need a side-by-side because remember this giant belly? Ooh, not super huge anymore. This is Sigrid, I believe. 784, Sigrid. Second vaccines. Oh, Sigrid. 12.1. Goodness, it's growing up. I'm sorry. You want those snackies though? Look. Look. 783, this is Helga. Oh goodness, look at that treat I have for you. 10.2. I don't think so.
Okay, your parents, cheese.
Okay, go back. Olga's the sweetest one. Olga, look. You're so cute. The sweetest girl. Oh. That's not so bad. I got cheese. 12.1. Okay. Oh my goodness. She needs more. She needs more cheese. Oh. Are done? Is that good? Oh my goodness. I'll let you know when I'm done. Or to keep doing. I just like still going.
We're here with B and Bop, and of course there are beautiful bottle babies. I am partial to them. Bop here actually has an adoption application, so we're going to neuter these guys today, and hopefully he'll go home soon with his forever home. So I'm excited about that. I can't believe it. These guys were like this little, and we used to bottle feed them, and Carrie would make me wipe their butts, and they would poop and pee, and it just grossed me out. I don't know how she does it all the time, but here we are. And so hopefully they'll have their forever home soon. Okay. I'll be here holding them until then.
Hi, B and Bop are awake. Y'all did good. What happened to you? Huh? Oh, hi. What happened? Been mean, baby. Sleepy. Tired. Ugh, so cute.
Guys, we are wrapping up another week here at Vet Ranch. It's been a while. I know we always have cute puppies, and I say this every time, but I cannot believe how many cute puppies we have right now. Because of that, we have a lot of adoptions, hopefully this weekend. We have some meet and greets to do. Come here, Kiki. Come here. Yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Thanks for joining us and taking this journey with us. Definitely, if you're a patron or you donate to Abandoned Pet Project, you are the reason that we can do what we love to do. So when you see these animals in videos, just know that you guys are giving us the ability to do what we love and to save these animals. So thank you guys so much. Consider subscribing and turning on all your notifications, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. I don't know why I did the jazz hands, but bye. Kiki, come here. Kiki is just kind of too good for me today. Kiki, come here. Gosh, cats are so weird. Bye, guys. Miss your paw? Your paw? Good boy. Going crazy. Rock spins. Got a case of the zoom zooms. You got a case of the zoom zooms? You made me so happy. You made me so happy. Where did you get those ears? Did you borrow those ears? Where did those ears come from?